You've worked for me 4 years, David. 4 years, and I don't even know where you go on your day off.
You never asked, Ma.
I'm asking now.
Some things are better left in the driver. You let your driver speak to you like that in front of my associates?
He wasn't speaking to me, he was protecting me.
From what, Amara? A parking valet?
From you.
In this video, I'll be teaching you how to generate consistent images for all your characters in the stories you want to generate. So, you're going to paste the prompt like this. I'll be pasting this prompt in the description section, so it's going to help you to generate your own images. So you're going to be using this particular prompt to generate your images. The prompt is well structured. It has everything your character needs for it to be good for your stories. So in this particular prompt, you're going to find the character name, the short type, the age. It has every description that you need for your characters to come out the way you want. There are two important things that we need to generate our AI stories with. The second thing that we are going to be needing is a perfect lip sync dialogue prompt that will enable us to animate the images that we are going to use to generate our stories with. So for our lip sync dialogue, we have the characters that are going to be present in that particular scene, the setting. We also have the emotional tone that your characters are going to be using in the dialogue, as well as the duration for which your images are going to be animated. So I'll be dropping this in the description section for you to copy and generate your own AI dialogue scenes with. You're going to head over to Play Store. When you head over to Play Store, you are going to type $AI Assistant app. So when you type $AI Assistant app, you are going to click on the second one like this. Okay, when you click on the second one, you are going to install it into your phone. You download it. So after downloading it, you are going to install it into your phone. You are going to open it. When you open it like this, you are going to sign with your Gmail. You're going to sign with your Gmail. You click on confirm. So when you click on confirm, you're going to have an interface like this. So you're going to click on AI creation. When you click on AI creation, here you can see we have two different models. We have image and video because we want to generate image for our story. So we are going to use this particular app, the Assistant AI app. We are going to be using it to generate our images. So we are going to go back to GPT to have the prompts that we are going to generate our images with. So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be generating a story with this title: The Billionaire's Son Worked as My Driver for Years. So we are going to be using Claude AI to come up with the image prompts and the dialogue for this particular story. So I'm going to be pasting the prompt I use to generate my images with this Claude AI. So I'll paste the generate my prompt, that's for the images and the dialogue scenes, for us to be able to generate this particular story. So I'm going to head over to copy the prompts that I use to generate the images and paste it right here. So here is the prompt I use to generate the images for this particular story. I'm going to copy the prompt like this, and I head over to generate the image for our story. So I'm going to put in this particular prompt using this title and the image prompt. I will paste here: generate a complete Bible character. Generate complete Bible characters for this story. Then I'll paste my prompt. Hit generate. Then I hit generate. So here is the Bible character that Claude has given me. The first character is Amara Okeke. The second character, David Adeyemi. The third character, Chief Emeka Adeyemi. The fourth character, Toby Harris. The fifth, Ngozi Bello. And yes, so Claude has given me 5 characters for this particular story. So we are going to have something like this. If we look at this particular prompt that Claude has generated, it has everything that your images are supposed to have. It has the style, whether you're doing 3D story, CGI pixel style, realistic images, depending on the style you are going in for. But for the purpose of this video, I use 3D CGI pixel style to generate my images. So we are going to copy the first character, Amara Okeke. We are going to copy it like this. When we copy it, we are going to head over to our Abdullah AI assistant to generate the image. So we are going to paste. Remember, we have to click on AI creation. When you click on AI creation, you are going to have this interface, image, video, because we want to generate image for our story first. So we are going to paste the prompt that we have just copied from Claude AI. We paste it like this and we click. We are going to look at the aspect ratio. If you are posting your stories on YouTube, if you are posting on Facebook or TikTok, you are going to choose the appropriate aspect ratio that you will use for the platform you want to post it. So since I'm doing YouTube, I'm going to click on this. After clicking like this, I'll hit generate. So Dollar AI is going to generate 4 different images on one session, and you are going to choose the one that suits your choice. So I'll be clicking on this one. I'll be clicking on the first one. I'll click download. When you click download, it's going to be saved onto your device. So I'll be doing the same thing to generate images for all my characters, for all the other characters that Claude AI has generated. I'll go back to Claude AI like this, and I'm going to copy the second. I'll copy the second character. That's for David. Copy. I come back to Dollar AI and I paste it. I click generate. So here's the second one. So I'll be clicking on the first one. I'm going to choose the first one. I download it right straight into my gallery, and I'll do the same thing for the other characters. So for all my 5 characters, here's what Dollar AI gave me. Here's the first character, of which you have 4 different other images you can choose from. Here's the second image. Here's the third image, the fourth image, and we have all our 5 images fit to go for our stories to be animated. So let's head over now to the dialogue scenes. The second major step for us to come up with our AI story animated is for us to have a dialogue prompt, a lip sync dialogue prompt. Using the prompts below, can you generate a dialogue for the above story? Then I'll paste my dialogue prompts. After pasting it like this, I'm going to hit generate. So here's what Claude AI has given me. So here's what we are going to do for the first scene that we want to generate. So we are going to copy the scene. We are going to copy the prompt for the first scene, including the dialogue. You copy it like this. Click on copy. Then we go back to our Dollar AI app. We click on video. After clicking on video, we are going to paste our prompt. After pasting the prompt, remember to check on the aspect ratio. I use 16:9. I'll click on 16:9. Then we are going to take note for this particular scene. The characters present in this frame are Amara Okeke and David Adeyemi. So I'm going to click on reference like this. When I click on reference, I'll click on reference and I input the images of the characters that are present in this particular scene for consistency. Remember, I had to save all the 5 characters in my gallery. So you are going to click on the reference characters that you want to use for this particular scene. Click on it and you hit generate. So here's the result of what we got.
You've worked for me 4 years, David. 4 years, and I don't even know where you go on your day off.
You never asked, Ma.
I'm asking now.
Some things are better left in the driveway.